Oh, it's moving! The boulder is moving!
That's because you're shaking your head, Baba.
Oh, is that why?
The only things moving around were animals and insects. In that case, how can we explain the moving rocks and leaves?
Maybe it's not a rock, but a fish that just looks like a rock.
So then, there's an insect that looks like a leaf?
Oh, that could be it. You guys are top-notch detectives.
A reward for our excellence!
We need to investigate further to confirm our theory. It's definitely something that's living and breathing. To prove the rock was really just a fish that looked like one, I compared it with a real fish. But it didn't have any gills. Or even fins. It was definitely not a fish. Something was coming out of the rock. There's something inside the leaf, too.
We see it!
It came out! Oh, so the leaf wasn't moving on its own after all.
And the rock wasn't moving on its own either.
That's right. What was moving the rock and the leaf was...
Yup, it was me, a caddisfly larva. The rock and the leaf were the homes that I made.
The caddisfly larva was a house-building pro. It spun silk from its mouth and stuck small pieces of rock or sand to it to make a house.
I'm making a leaf house next. Stick on some leaves. Heave-ho, heave-ho.
Caddisfly larvae live underwater. They build houses in order to hide, so they don't get eaten by hungry fish. The mystery is solved!